we have certain groups within the UDA party that are fueling the disunity in the UDA party. And I want to call upon the communications teams within the office of the President and the office of the Deputy President. Kindly stop fueling disunity in the UDA party. We want to call upon both communication teams to work in unity and stop antagonizing each other. Lastly, we want to join our President in saying that the UDA party was elected on a platform of the Hustler Nation. While I was away, I was told that one governor stepped outside the law and banned Mogoka in Mombasa. On behalf of the hustlers and the Mogoka traders and the consumers of Mogoka, we want to ask that governor to operate within the constraints of the law. Mogoka and Mira are synonymous in content, and they have been approved. We even export them outside this country. And therefore, we are saying that the traders that are involved in Mogoka business should also operate within the confines of our law. Make sure that you have warning signs, just like a cigarette. When you smoke a cigarette, we know that it has harmful effects to your health. But there is a warning there. Cigarettes, alcohol are goods that are not supposed to be sold to people under the age of 18. Similarly, the traders of Mogoka should also observe the measures that have been put in place by other goods to ensure that they put warnings to where they are selling their goods, and also to desist from selling the goods to citizens under the age of 18.